Volvo's model line overhaul continues with an all-new and fully modernized compact crossover for 2018, the XC60. More stylish, more efficient, more luxurious, roomier, and better equipped than the model it replaces, the XC60 is now far more competitive. A focus on safety is a given with the Volvo name attached, and features such as automated emergency braking and lane keeping assist are standard. More advanced tech, including a semi-autonomous driving mode, is optional. Few buyers will have complaints about the XC60's driving dynamics, as long as they aren't expecting outright sportiness, and the environmentally conscious among them will be pleased with its fuel efficiency and available plug-in hybrid powertrain. Volvo's compact crossover is all new for 2018 and borrows heavily from the larger XC90 for its mechanicals, technology, and Scandinavian-modern design. The new XC60 is much improved and wholly contemporized in comparison with the 2017 model it replaces, and it finds its place in the lineup above the smaller and similarly new XC40. Normally the top-tier trim level is too costly to represent a good value, but not with the XC60. Our pick of the range is the Inscription trim with the T6 powertrain, which carries a price of $49,695, a $7,200 upcharge versus the base T5 Momentum. For that extra coin, you'll enjoy the 316 HP output of the T6's turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, and Volvo luxes things up with features such as 4-zone automatic climate control, navigation in a larger 12.3-inch gauge display, keyless entry and a hands-free liftgate, 20-inch diamond-cut aluminum wheels, gorgeous driftwood interior trim. We'd also suggest the $2,000 convenience package, which adds Volvo's semi-autonomous driving technology with adaptive cruise control, heated windshield wipers, a folding rear seat, folding rear headrests, an extra 12-volt power outlet in the cargo area, power child locks for the doors, and an integrated garage door opener. As equipped, our XC60 rolls for $51,695.